So here we are, welcome back to another video where we're going to be testing the Cali caps from Quill. I don't know what the Vortex part is, but I just know them as Calis. So yeah, there's one female cap in here and two males, so I've actually got a male can, flame boosters or whatever they're called, these things. Messy things with the stock caps, but let's see what they're like with the old Cali female. So basically these come in the angle of the spray. There's a 55 and a 77, which are the male caps, which obviously go on the female cans, and then the female cap, which goes on the male cans, is 99 degrees of spray pattern. As you can see here, let's take one out. It's going to be a flat spray pattern. Something that's really cool about these caps is that the nozzle rotates, so you can obviously do all kinds of different angles, which is quite cool. I kind of presume they're meant for doing big Cali style tags, but I'm not really into doing big Cali style tags. But what I'm interested in is how well do they fill an area. So here we are at a spot. There's my piece that's under this lot here, so prime for me to buff it. And yeah, actually before we buff it, let's just try with this massive, that's quite interesting, that pops out. So I haven't even looked at these yet, so this is all on the fly doing this. I'm wondering whether they're interchangeable. I've done my homework on NightQuill's marketing spiel on this stuff as well, but this will be quite interesting. So you can actually probably, yeah, so you can change the female to a skinnier output if you want, but probably wouldn't want to do that because obviously male cans are generally high output. So let's keep the 99 degree insert bit on the female cap, and let's, before I buff it, let's chuck on a fresh can of booster, flame booster. So I know these caps, they don't actually sit down in that groove in the top of the valve stem as per conventional caps. Right, I know these cans have been sitting for a while, so let's try. Oh, yeah, beast. Yeah. Yeah, you can certainly cover some area with these. So that's probably like half a metre back, foot and a half, and that must be, yeah, best part of a metre wide, a foot, a yard, 3 foot, something like that. Right, what are we going to do? There's no point even buffing it really, because I'm just basically going to be testing. Let's use these two. So Cobra 600s usually come with a Cobra yellow fat cap. So we're going to try the small one, the 55 degree, on the murky greeny colour, and then we'll try the 77 degree on the deep red. Oh god. Right, give them a shake. Right, it's this 55. Let's paint over here so you see more. Yeah, it's alright. Right, 77 degree. Definitely feels like more output. Yeah, again, good for filling spaces quickly. Obviously the best feature in my opinion is the fact you can rotate that. Yeah, let's have a go with the 55 degree on its side. Still pretty good, just nowhere near as good as the 77. So what does AI think of the Night Quill VORTEX CALI set? So apparently they're 2.5 times faster than traditional transversal nozzles, which I do actually have here, which I was going to say is a big, there you go, there's a used one, so maybe we should do that as a comparison on the 77 degree output. So where's a nice clear bit? Let's do it here. It's nice that they put me up after they dogged me out, but still. Right, there you go. That is 77, and here's a regular transversal. There you go. So yeah, probably is about 2.5–3 times wider than a regular transversal. But what's really cool about these Calis is the fact you can rotate them really easily. With the regular red transversal caps, generally you need a pair of pliers or something to rotate them. I've got some what do you call them, secateurs for trimming little bits of foliage and stuff growing over walls, which I usually use them. You could try and use your teeth, but I wouldn't recommend it. Right, what else have we got here? So I think it's just going through the 3 different sizes. Yeah, so the inserts can be popped out, cleaned and swapped between bodies, making them more durable than disposable one-piece caps, which I suppose is better for the environment. I was going to say the negative about them compared to a regular red transversal cap is the fact they're probably, I can't remember what they cost for the set, but they're probably like 3 times more expensive than one of these. So, but then if they last for ages, you can keep cleaning them, then yeah, kind of makes sense. So what was that? $10.95 for US dollars. Australian dollars, it's approximately 10 euros. So yeah, what's that? 10 euros is, my maths is terrible. It's about 8 quid or something, isn't it? I believe so. Anyway, so yeah, I think that is all I need to go through with the Cali cap set, whatever you want to call it. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video coming out shortly. Thanks for watching.